Welcome to TKT course by Teacher Teresa, Module 1, Part 2, Background to Language Learning, Unit 12, Differences between L1 and L2 Learning. Key Concepts and the Language Teaching Classroom. Key Concepts and the Language Teaching Classroom. Read these tips and mark the ones that matter most to you. The way we teach language to learners largely depends on the learner's age. The younger the learners, the more they benefit from learning in a way similar to first language learners, through exposure, interaction, and doing things. Older learners, with better cognitive skills, can also benefit from focusing on language form, in a more general or abstract way. Motivation is essential for successful language learning, but learners may not always be highly motivated. Teachers can use different strategies to motivate the learners. Learners have different ways of learning, different ages, and different personalities. Some like to analyze language, while others do not. Some enjoy taking risks in communication, while others fear making mistakes. Teachers can support them by learning about their needs and adjusting their teaching styles, topics, materials, ways of correction, etc. A silent period can be useful for some learners, but many adults may not like it because they want to use the language immediately. Language exposure is important for learning. Teachers can encourage learners to use English outside the classroom by listening to songs or audiobooks, watching movies, reading books or newspapers, visiting websites, making English-speaking friends, talking to tourists, or writing emails to pen pals. Interaction also plays an important role in language learning. Pair and group activities, role plays, debates, interviews, class presentations, and problem-solving tasks help learners communicate and develop their skills. Teachers should use simple language that learners can learn from, and avoid correcting them too much. This helps them build fluency, confidence, and motivation, while acquiring and experimenting with the language. Praise is a powerful motivator in the classroom, particularly for younger learners. It is also important for teachers to provide learners with as much individual attention as possible and engage with them in smaller settings, such as one-on-one or in small groups. See Units 9, 13, and 14 for factors affecting L2 learning, and Unit 18 for approaches to language teaching. Thank you.